We've been saying it and we'll keep saying it. There's nothing like the Rebel 1100. Motorcycle Experience explored what it's like to ride this sleek cruiser for the first time, where classic style meets the peak of modern technology. Take a look.
If you're one of those lucky Canadians who got their motorcycle license by taking a certified riding course, chances are you may have ridden a Honda Rebel 250 in the process. I mean, the little air-cooled custom cruiser has been produced on and off by Honda since 1985. A few years back, Honda relaunched the Rebel, now as a liquid-cooled 300 and 500cc power cruiser, promising at the time a bigger family member still to come. Well, last summer, lo and behold, the Rebel 1100 arrived sporting the well-sorted 1084cc parallel twin lifted from their Africa twin. Unlike its smaller siblings, this throttle-by-wire Rebel is a much more sophisticated beast, boasting such items as optional dual-clutch transmission, 4 riding modes, traction control with integrated wheelie control, engine braking control, and of course, cruise control, all monitored on a large LCD display. Rolling on cast 18 and 16-inch wheels, this Rebel's saddle sits a mere 27.5 inches off the deck. And with the non-DCT version weighing less than 225 kilos, this is one super accessible cruiser. But you don't have to take my word for it. Here now is this week's road tester, Brockville, Ontario's very own Christina Bradford.
So Christina, I know you ride a VFR and you're not really a cruiser person per se, but you did say this reminds you of a muscle car, and I know you like muscle cars.
I do. As soon as you asked me to come and do the test drive, I looked up the bike and I thought, wow, it's beautiful and it's all black, and if I could pick a car, it would be all black, or a truck, and if I could pick a motorcycle, it would look like this. I think it would, everything, the forks, the black, the tank, everything is just monochromatic, and it's gorgeous. They did a good job.
It's hard to believe it's an 1100cc twin, right?
Mm-hmm.
So tell us about the engine. How did you like that?
There was lots of power. I was pleasantly surprised. I was rolling on it every chance that I could. I thought, yeah, it's going. It's got some go, and you got to hold on, like, which is good, which is what you want. I want to have to hold on. If I'm cracking on the throttle, I want to feel like, if I'm not careful, I'm gonna go flying off the back. And it did that. It really did that. So it was great. And the guys that I was riding with were like, wow, it's got some go. And I was like, I'm thoroughly impressed with that. So that was good.
And now you mentioned you were nervous about the DCT transmission. I said, don't worry, it's smarter than you.
Yes.
It's also smoother than you. Did you see how smooth this thing shifts?
So my opinion would be, I love the downshift. Mm-hmm. That was nice, because you go up to a stop sign and it just does it. And that was really cool. The upshift, I still really, on a long trip, I would love it, but I still really like that whole concept of clutching. So I think I don't know if it comes with a clutch, but for a new driver, perfect. You don't have to worry about it. It's a point and shoot, go. I still think I would like a clutch for the up. I'd like to be able to go up and run for the gears and then just say, oh, I'm coming to the stop sign. You can do all the work. So it's getting used to it. Again, not used to new motorcycles, not used to a cruiser, not used to an automatic clutch. So, but it was cool. It was a neat experience for sure.
I know you are very tall and you have long legs. This bike is designed for somebody who's short in the inseam. It has an incredibly low saddle. How did you find the riding position?
So upper body was wonderful. I love where the handlebar placement is. I love where the controls are. The mirrors were fantastic. They were easily to adjust. They didn't feel like they were in the way. The riding position for me in the leg section, that's where we got a little bit uncomfortable. And I have a 36-inch inseam, and it's not standard for men or women, so I wouldn't be the proper judge for that. I think it would be more comfortable in a long drive, way more comfortable, because there was no pressure on my wrists or my shoulders. It was a very comfortable riding position. Yeah. I would think I would have to either move the pegs or do something for somebody that has a little bit taller legs. I do hear you can actually move the seat if you're even shorter.
Yeah.
There's like an adjustment that you can do on this motorcycle that'll gain you like 3 centimeters or something
It's hard
for
to believe
shorter.
it's so low as it is. Yeah. So who do you think this bike is for, and what would they do with it?
That's a really good question. I would think anybody could drive it. Anybody would feel comfortable. I think even a newer driver could drive this motorcycle, and which is really cool because it is kind of a point and shoot, but there's lots of room to play. I think it would be women could drive it comfortably and feel good. Like you'd feel good on this motorcycle. But I think guys would like it too. Like I really do. I don't think it's gender specific. I think that anybody would want to drive it because it's just because of its look, and it's like I said, it drives very well.
Well, Christina, it's been great to reconnect with you and Steve, and you did a fabulous job today. I'm so pleased you liked it. I'm assuming you had some fun?
I did. I thank you for having me. It's a beautiful bike, and I don't think I'm ready to trade the VFR in yet, but Honda is definitely a company after my own heart.
Nice job.
Thank you.
you.